How to fix device not showing up on Bluetooth on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to turn Bluetooth off and back on. Sometimes the Bluetooth module just needs a quick refresh. So, go to Settings and then tap on the Bluetooth option. Now, go ahead and toggle off the Bluetooth toggle button and wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then enable Bluetooth again. The next fix is to restart your iPhone, as restarting clears temporary glitches in Bluetooth connectivity. The next fix is make sure the other device is discoverable. Common methods are hold the power button until the LED flashes or follow the device's manual. The next fix is to forget and repair the device. So launch the settings application again and tap on Bluetooth. Now tap on the info or the eye icon next to the device name you want to forget. Now tap on the Forget this device option and then tap on Forget device option again. Now put the device in pairing mode and try again. It works well when the connection is stuck or corrupted. The next fix is to reset network settings. So go ahead and in Settings again tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. This resets all Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth settings. Make sure that no data loss will be made, but you will need to re-enter all the Wi-Fi passwords. The next fix is make sure the device is not already connected to some other device. And the last fix is to update your iOS version. So in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure that you are running on the latest iOS version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone further. So this is how you can fix device not showing up on Bluetooth on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.